Hello everybody, I am first time user of this Hawk Seale. So this is 3 cans or 3 5-gallon pails, and I can't remember exactly how many square feet or square yards. That's 3 times 150. And that 3 times 450, 450 square yards here. So I had a little bit of an issue. These millings I put down were very, very dry, and obviously I got leaves, on the top. There's probably some leaves in the Seale, or in the millings itself too, because I guess that's just what you get at this time of year. But I just wanted to show you something. It does stick to anything. So I have a roller right here, and it sticks just like once that solution is down, it sticks just like tar. So I had to water my water brush in there to keep it from sticking. But this is what happened. 2 things. As you can tell, you look here and you see these little bit of the missing pieces here. I mean, it's all over the place. 2 things. It was hot out today. It was 80 degrees for a fall, September 15th day. And